Oh, brother, man. Look at all this traffic. Got a test today over this stuff. Oh, man. Pray for me, man. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What is that? What's going on? Something's overheating. Oh, man, I gotta move over. Oh. Ooh. What a way to start the video, man. Man, it's raining. Like, it's pouring over here. Don't move to Atlanta. Don't move to Atlanta. Man, we already got enough people that live here. You know, I thought like I can't say anything because I've never worked there. But like people who do like ship, like, you know, mailman or like UPS or FedEx, I thought it'd be easy, but like it must suck to do that stuff like on a rainy day. I imagine, because I'll be seeing some UPS drivers, some FedEx drivers, they be drippy. They be wearing some designer sometimes on Jordan. Imagine you wearing your J's and it starts pouring out of nowhere and you gotta run and drop that package off. Like, dang, I'm cooked. Ooh, that's a nice, is that a Corvette? I don't know what it was. It looked like a 300Z, I don't know. Had a long hood. Honestly though, if I was like a FedEx driver, I'd probably have like a bag, like spare shoes, because you never know, like spare shoes, some snacks, charger, stuff like that. I feel like as a human being, or as a man in general, like just in general, you know, just, if you, bro, like anybody, I feel like such this thing is I think it's a good thing to like have a backpack or like a little fanny pack with just like essential stuff to have on you. It don't hurt to have it on you. Dang, bro, I've been stuttering like crazy on these videos. I don't even know, man, on the GoPro. Is it like aesthetically pleasing? All the rain and drizzles. Open this up. Ooh, get some light in here. This is gonna be the. I need to make a thumbnail. Stop moving. Let's see if we get that thumbnail. Oh well. I said, should I cut up, but that's crazy. It's wet. You know, I got all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is not helping me once I lose traction. But I'm like craving like fast food right now, but I'm trying to cut like fast food out of my diet. I've been getting ooh, 3000 GT or Dodge Stealth, I don't know. But those are fire. I mean, but yeah, man, I need to have more discipline on myself with the food I be eating. I'm eating like a lot of junk food and fast food. Bro, I don't want to be chopped. I do not want to be chopped. I'm definitely going like for intermediate fasting, you know. I'm trying to cut out. I'm trying to like slim my what I drink on a daily basis to like, I'm trying to just drink water. See if that works. Nah, it works, but it's discipline. I'm trying to get into the gym more too. I was watching I heard this guy said when you like trying to like better yourself or like, you know, go to the gym, eat better, make more money, just stuff in general, just to better yourself. There's a difference from motivation and discipline. It starts out as motivation of, you you know, because you feel motivated, you know, you want to do better, you're motivated. But then after a certain time, the motivation wears down, you know, because motivation, you have spikes, you know. You're not, I mean, I don't know. Me personally, I get motivated sometimes, then like the next day I'm not like as motivated. I'm pretty sure that's how it is for everybody. I don't know. Y'all let me know if it's different for y'all. But when that motivation wears down, that's where it comes down on if you have discipline to continue that routine. I'm stressing over this test. I don't know. Oh my goodness. I brought some notes, but I don't know if it's gonna cut it. If y'all have not liked or subscribed, man, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. We're on the road to 300.